gents, here's my boat, the Good Hope, which I've recently restored. There's my Seagull Silver Century motor on the back that's powered me down the river. As you can see, there's a name, Good Hope, next to the engine. And this is the reason I'm down here today, is to harvest for some samphire for the kitchen at my local hotel. To make sure that I don't pull up the roots, I use a pair of kitchen scissors to cut it about a centimetre or so above the mud. So hopefully that'll mean it grows back next year. I'll be able to cut it again next year and for years to come. So it's a bit tricky doing it with one-handed, but you can see what I'm doing. I have my scissors in my right hand and I cut it just above the level of the mud. Thus. And put it in my bag. As you can see, there's plenty to go around. Wish I had a cameraman so I could show you a bit better. But the tide's coming in, so I need to be quick about my business. Anyway, this is harvesting samphire somewhere on the east coast of England. Cheers.